Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Easy English. Today we have another pair of word that confuse most of the people. और वो है, the first word is this. How do you say this word? Yes, it's bath. Bath. Remember the last sound should be th. It's bath. It is noun. For example, I would say I will take bath in the morning, or I can say my friend Farhan takes bath after 15 days. It was just a joke. Okay, the second word of the pair is this. How do you say this word? Again bath? No. It's bathe. Bathe. It is the act or the process of taking bath. It is actually a verb. ये action है, ये verb है, नहाना. I mean, when we have a word bathroom, then we have a noun bath, then we have the verb, it is bathe. Bathe. So the example for this word bathe can be, I bathed before going to my school or before going to my office. He bathed before going to his workplace. So the first word is bath, it's a noun, and the second word is bathe, it's a verb. I hope the difference between these two words has been made clear. Thanks for watching this video.